After successfully applying Magigoo using the coater, it is recommended to clean it immediately. Regular maintenance after periods of inactivity is also recommended to ensure that the Magigoo coater functions as intended. To clean the Magigoo applicator after use, simply wipe the rod using a damp cloth until all the excess adhesive is removed. After a few days of not being used, the rubber valves might become clogged. If this happens, one can wipe the rubber nozzles using a damp cloth to unclog them. If you're planning to store the manifold for long periods of time or to change adhesive type, it is recommended to clean the internal manifold channels with water. First, remove the adhesive bottle from the manifold assembly. Close it and swap it for an empty bottle filled with tap water. Tighten the bottle and pump for at least 15 times to clear the adhesive. It is recommended to perform this procedure over a sink or an appropriate waste container. You can now remove the bottle and leave the manifold to dry for storage. This cleaning procedure should also be done before swapping between Magigoo adhesives, such as Magigoo PA. You can now screw in the new adhesive bottle and prime the pump until the new adhesive starts flowing out. A line of 13 glue dots should come out of the applicator. The coater kit also contains a spray head, which can be used to clean your build plate. To use the spray head for cleaning, fill the empty bottle with water and attach the straight straw to the pumping head. Screw in the water bottle. Spray water on the build plate. Wait for a few seconds and wipe with the cleaning cloth.